welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. In this episode, we're going to learn how to make Lego Batman. Are you ready? Let's do it! Alright, you just saw the slideshow. Hope you're inspired. Get out there. Go make your own Lego Batman. Hope you have a wonderful day being creative. Bye-bye.